Everybody, this is Brian back with the STX stacks update. You can see we hit our price target that we put up here. We've been waiting for that fifth wave to finish up on this thing, and we have hit it. That's it. We are going to put it on the 4 hour here, and I'm going to go over some new price targets for us here that hopefully we hit. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, but I'm going to show you where I believe we're headed. First of all, I got a couple really exciting articles to show you. Stuff that hasn't happened since the last bull run that we want to see going on. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. We'd love to have you here every day. And we cover a few different coins, not just one. So, excuse me. Crypto rallies into the weekend. Bitcoin posted its best week since early of 2021. Bitcoin was up 34.13% in a week. Its best week since January 2021, which was right before the first bull run that year. Ethereum rose 3.87% to $1,745 for the week. It ended up 22.88%, its best week since August of 2021. So that's fantastic to see. And I did a couple other videos today, and like I said, I'm not saying we're in a bull run. I believe we're in a bull trend right now. I definitely believe that. But here's a crypto wallet to Microsoft, in the Microsoft Edge browser that this guy discovered. Put down here, according to screenshots shared on Twitter by Albacore, a pseudonym software researcher from Central Europe, Microsoft has added code that would integrate a non-custodial crypto wallet into the company's default Edge browser. And it also goes on to say that Microsoft tests many things that never come to light, but that's pretty exciting to hear. You know, it'd be great to see Microsoft get in on the crypto here. Fear and Greed Index for the crypto market. The market cap is at $1,186,000,000,000. That is up 1.18%. Volume is up 86.7%. That's great to see. Bitcoin dominance is down 0.53%, and we are at a 64 in greed on the market sentiment. So the biggest gainers, biggest losers. You can see what's trending on the top left. It's beautiful to see Bitcoin trending. You know, like I said, but that brings the money in. You know, Mask Network is up almost 35%. Got some small red on the right, nothing major. Just a little bit of a correction day for some coins. But STX is actually up 1.5% for the day at $1.19. All right, and we hit those price targets, like I said. Let's dig into this a little bit deeper because we have this beautiful trend line forming on the 4 hour. You can pull my arrow out here. You can see this trend line forming right here. We could come back. What we did here, I want to show you, it did a beautiful back test on this last high. You can see the back test right there. This thing came back. This is STX on the 4 hour. Look at that back test, that breakout. Beautiful back test. Bitcoin just did the same thing, but you can see this high we took out there. We came back tested it, and we've had a strong bounce off that thing. Bitcoin hit its highs that we were projecting for it. I'm going to show you. Just nicked it, but it got it, and it has done a beautiful back test. Same exact thing. We broke this high, popped up. Look at that back test right here, and had a strong bounce off of it. I believe Bitcoin has a little more leg up here, but the 4 hour RSI and the 1 hour might have to cool off, but I believe it's got a little bit more room to go here. You can see we finished this micro move, this 5 waves. 3, 4, 5. And it looks like that finished off that 5 wave. We could have an ABC correction up here. Could cool off a little bit, but I want to take a look here. I want to put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where we could possibly be heading next. It's pretty exciting to see. We're going to put a fib on this thing. Okay, you can see we got up to our 1.236. I would, you know, as long as this uptrend continues, I see no reason it shouldn't, but the $1.46 area could be the next zone we're looking at. That's a 1.618 extension there. I can definitely see that coming, so I'm going to keep an eye on these charts tonight and tomorrow, and get a video out tomorrow and see what's going on here, but I truly believe this 4-hour RSI needs to reset before we make another move up here. And the 1 hour should be reset. It is. It's on its way up, so we could have a short-term bounce here, a little bit more of a correction. We could end up coming down and riding this as support for a little bit, go sideways a little bit today. But please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here every day, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic night. Thank you so much for watching my video.